what I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Missguided haul for you guys. You guys love my last Missguided haul, so that's why I'm sitting down here again. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got today, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, let me know which items you guys like, and make sure you turn your post notification on so you don't miss any of my video next time I upload. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here's the box for Missguided. If you guys haven't seen my last video, you guys should definitely check it out. So now we are stepping up the game. I am using my Canon G7X Mark II. It looks so nice. It looks a lot better than the first one. So thank you so much, babe, for making that happen. Anyways, I'm about to open the box. Again, make sure you have scissors. You don't want to have a hard time opening your box. Anyways, I'm about to get started. I have so many things in here and I need to go and make some food, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make this really fast. Here again, here's another Missguided new stuff. It's so good you could kiss it. It just basically shows you everything that you ordered and if you need to return, which I'm not going to return. Ooh, I got a box, big box right here. I'm just gonna put this down, show you guys everything. Oh my god, I have scissors right here. What is wrong with me? Okay, girl. Let me take everything out so you guys can actually see what they look like. And this is what it looks like. Do you guys like it? I like it. I'm digging it. I can see myself wearing this, like going out like, hey girl. This is really cute. I love that there's a zipper right here. Open it. Obviously there's gonna be some stuff in there. Oh wow. This is cute. Alright, go. Look at this. Oh, hey girl. We are about to go out. Let's go. Let's go, go, go. So that was the first item. So the second item we got is another snake print. And this is a dress. Look at this dress. Look how beautiful this dress is. This is something that I can definitely wear if I'm going on a date, or it's really cute. It's definitely not my style, or it's definitely out of my comfort zone, but I'm gonna have to make it work somehow. You know what I mean? It's really nice. What do you guys think? Approve? You guys like it? Do you guys like the style? Here, let me show you guys, so you guys don't. So that's what it looks like. Okay, look at the bottom part. Love it. That's the second item. Alright, so the third item. Okay, we got this nice crop long sleeve that you can somewhat put it off shoulder and stuff, or not, or both if you want. But this is really nice. I like this. What is this? This is a size small. This is an off shoulder balloon sleeve jumper. That's what it's called. So really nice. I like the color. Definitely my style. So hey guys, what's up? So I am in the bathroom right now, just taking a little break. By the way, my necklace is like going crazy right now. It's tangled. like crazy. Let's see here. I just want to say Happy New Year's to everyone. And right now it is 12:30 and I'm pretty lit. I took about like 3 or 4 shots already and I'm getting there. I just need to drink some more water so that way I don't feel this hungover tomorrow. But you guys should definitely check out Missguided because they have some good stuff. Look at this. Beautiful. Back. I like it. Alright guys, so next item, we got this nice mini dress in color lime or neon green, whatever you want to call it. It says lime, but I call it neon green. So this is what it looks like. So I believe that's the back. Okay, so this is the front. I love it. So cute. This is so nice. Boom. Definitely my style. I can definitely see myself wearing this. Can you see myself wearing this? I can see myself wearing this. It's really cute. I like it. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. So I got a lot of earrings right there, but I did end up grabbing some more earrings from Missguided because I don't know why. I'm just so into like gold right now and I just needed something nice. This is what it looks like. You know what I need though? I need rings. I don't have any rings at the moment, so bear with me. I'm about to get some more. I'm about to buy myself one. So here are the earrings right here. I did my nails today, by the way, guys. And it's really cute. I like it. Like it, like it, like it. I love gold earrings. I'm wearing one right now. I'm wearing their necklace. This is the Playboy. So the next item, we got this dress right here. I believe this is a shirt. Oh, it's a shirt. It's not a dress. It looks like a dress. That's why. This looks like my boyfriend's flannel. But in like a girl version, you know what I mean? Because it has that nice cut right here. I really like it. I finally have my own flannel, you guys. I don't have to wear my boyfriend's flannel, but you know what? There's just something about wearing your boyfriend's clothes. I swear, I'm not wearing my boyfriend's clothes right now. This is mine. It's just meant to be oversized. But this is really cute. I can definitely see myself wearing these. So cute. Your girl's about to look so nice for 2019. Your girl is gonna look so good. So next item, we got a nice fuzzy long sleeve. So I actually have this one already in blue, like really dark blue, like navy blue. And I have the white version of it. I fell in love with it, so that's why I ended up grabbing the other color, which is so cute. Love it. It's so soft, so cute, really comfy and warm. I like it. This is what it looks like. Oversized sweater long sleeve. That's really, really comfy. So that's that. Alright guys, so the next item we have a denim shirt dress in like dark gray. I love this. I fell in love with this because look at this. Look at the bottom part. Just something about this is really, really nice. Again, this is something that my boyfriend would wear, but I'm not gonna give it to him because this is a girl version of it. He's not gonna be wearing this at all. This is too cute. I like it. Oversized. Love it. So the next item I got is a jogger pants. This is not just a regular jogger pants, by the way. This is a nice fuzzy, warm, soft pillow. It's just really, really soft and cute. Jogger pants, okay? Your girl loves wearing jogger pants, so that's why I ended up grabbing this. It's really cute. Definitely perfect for this kind of weather right now in San Francisco. It's pretty cold. It's like under 50 degrees. I love it. Alright, so the next item I think this is it right here. This is it right here. See, I wasn't gonna get this at all because Christmas is over and stuff, and you know what, I still ended up grabbing them anyways because not only that I love bread, but look at this style, guys. I don't have any type of jacket like this ever in my life. So this is definitely something that I can definitely keep forever, for a long time, especially for like winter time, like right now. This is cute. I don't have to necessarily have to wear this for Christmas. It could be New Year's, Valentine's Day, or wherever I'm at and I want to look fashionable. This is definitely something I'm definitely gonna wear and bring with me. So it's really cute. I like it. Alright guys, so we're almost done. We have another jacket and this is cute, guys. This is cute. This is definitely my style right here. Okay, girl. Look at this jacket, guys. Wow, I am impressed right now. This is amazing. I should put it on right now because I feel like it's gonna look so cute. Alright, I have it on. That's it. We are ready to go. This is really cute. I like it. What do you guys think? You guys fuck with it? Oh, guess what? It's gonna look nice with my orange beanie. This is from LA Kush. Look at this. Gangster. It's so cute. I like this. So nice. Look at this jacket, guys. Wow, Missguided. You just can't stop spoiling me. I am so excited to wear all of these products that I got. It's so sad that I am taking the last item that I got from Missguided. Alright, so another orange. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I ended up grabbing two orange jacket. But look at this. It's a different type of orange. Actually, this is kind of like a red orange, and that's more like Halloween orange. So I can't get mad at myself. This is too cute, really comfy. Look at that. Really, really nice and thick. Love this. I love that. I love this. My camera just stopped recording. I don't know why it just does. But anyways, going back to this, I love this jacket. Yeah, so everything I got, I am a size small in US, UK 8. So if you guys are wondering. Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Again, if you guys like any of these items, I'm going to put it in my description down below. And I hope to see you guys soon. And again, Happy New Year's. And I hope you guys had a wonderful 2018. I hope you guys kill it on 2019. I'm about to kill it on 2019. I'm going to have some content out for you guys. A lot of unboxing, fashion, style, beauty, vlog, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to go ahead and start posting on my YouTube channel. So you guys be ready. I'm out. Alright. Look at all the mess I just made. Not the business. So, there's one more thing that I love to do. I'm gonna show you guys. Come here, Bob. I'm about to show you all the items I got. Okay. I'm so sad. He's in the middle of playing games right now, so I can't even have him here. I was gonna show you guys. Look how sad I am right now. So what I normally do when I get packages, once I do unboxing and all that stuff, great content, this and that, I basically show him everything that I got, so just to see what he actually likes. So he's actually busy right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say bye. And yeah, I'm kind of emotional about it because okay, he's gonna see this video and then he's gonna feel like some type of way. Bye guys, gotta go. What time is it? Oh, it's 6:42. The party starts at 6, I believe. Your girl gotta go. You gotta go.
That never gotta sweat that.